this the term.
Okay, Supriya. So finally, we are at the last leg of this huge lesson that we have been discussing, that is origin and evolution of life, right? So
Yes.
we had started with how the origin of the life on the earth has taken place, how the new life started in the water bodies, right? After that, how it got diversified into different species that we have today. Okay.
Correct.
The different theories of evolution, the modern synthetic theory, taking into account even the genetic aspects. Okay.
Correct.
Ideals and genes,
Correct.
how they play a role in evolution. Yesterday we have seen
Correct.
the different evidences to prove the fact that all different types of species on the earth have a common ancestry, right? So
Correct.
a lot of paleontological, morphological, anatomical, molecular evidences, right? And we have discussed about speciation. Okay.
Speciation. Yes.
We have also seen something called the geological time scale, right?
Yes.
Now, after all this, in the last part of the lesson, we have to discuss about the evolution of the most dangerous creature on the earth, and that is
Which is
evolution of human beings.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes.
No, wait,
So
I
we are
can't.
talking
Yes, I can.
about the evolution of human beings, right?
Yes.
Now, in the world at present, approximately there are around 8.7 million species of
Oh
all
my
types.
God.
Okay. Out of that, we human beings are just one of them. One species at present inhabiting the earth in the name of humans, and that is Homo sapiens.
Correct.
So the main point is, because we have dominated the earth and we are the ones who are able to understand everything about the earth and the nature, because of the developed cerebrum that we have, so we should be knowing how we also originated.
Yes.
Again, over here, as per the points discussed in the beginning of the lesson, there are many theories which are explained in different religions about how human beings originated and all. So, you know the point that science always depends upon evidence, correct? And as far as the
Yes.
evolution of humans is concerned, there is one very common statement that is provided. कि इंसान पहले बंदर था.
Oh, me. Yes.
Yeah, there are exceptions like you who are at present also
Oh
behave
no.
like monkeys,
Arey,
but that's a
sir.
different thing. Okay,
Yes.
here we are talking about the fact that human beings, that is Homo sapiens, हमारे ancestors monkeys थे. Do you agree with this?
Yeah.
So that means from the monkeys we have come up directly.
No. धीरे
Then
धीरे धीरे.
धीरे धीरे
Update. Updating level.
अपडेट मतलब
Yes.
कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है जो अपडेट करना है.
Yes.
Wow.
Software update.
See this. See this. I'll first give you a very brief overview, okay, about something which you have learned in the 10th standard first, and then according to the 12th standard level, we will go into the details. Okay.
Okay.
So take a look at this small flowchart या tree.
Oh my
Something
moment.
very interesting. Okay.
Okay, fine.
See,
Yes.
you know the fact that human beings, that is, we all belong to the group of mammals in the animal kingdom.
Correct.
Correct. We belong to class Mammalia, right?
Mammalia.
Now, class Mammalia, according to animal classification, is the most advanced group of animals.
Correct.
Okay. We have the well developed and the most advanced with all the features. Now, when you talk about mammals, what are the distinguishing features of mammals, which we all possess? Mammals के क्या क्या features है बताओ? First thing, unique points about only mammals.
They can walk ऐसे. Like.
Unique points about only mammals.
Only mammals.
Distinguishing features mammals के बताओ.
My distinguished. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ. Right.
Firstly, see, why is the group known as mammals?
Why?
The reason for that.
Because they can live. नहीं.
The word
Right.
mammals indicates presence of mammary glands.
Oh yes.
Getting it?
Correct.
Mammals
Very good.
word आया है mammary glands में से, which is something
Hmm.
uniquely, exceptionally found only in the case of mammals.
Uniquely exceptionally. Yes.
Because उसके पहले के ग्रुप में, that is aves, birds,
Hmm.
वहां तक animals जो होते हैं they are oviparous.
Oviparous.
Oviparous मतलब they lay eggs.
Hmm.
When they lay
Correct.
the eggs also have the nourishment for them, that is the yolk.
Yes.
तो उस पे feed करके the young one will hatch out of the egg. So it is
Hmm.
not that much dependent upon the mother.
Correct.
But when it comes to mammals, there is no egg laying feature with exceptionally very few animals
Hmm.
under
Yes.
mammals, right? So
हाँ.
mammals में the unique point is they are viviparous.
Hmm.
That means they do not lay eggs, they directly give birth to young ones.
Oh yes.
So when they directly give birth to young ones, so for the nutrition, the young ones are directly dependent upon the mother.
Correct.
And in the mother, it is only the mammary glands which can provide the required nourishment to the young ones.
Hmm. हाँ.
That is
Correct.
why we have learnt about that in reproduction lesson also.
Yes.
Right? So that is why presence of mammary glands is one of the very important features for animals under mammals.
Hmm. ठीक
Okay.
है.
Secondly,
Okay.
mammals में एक और जो unique feature है, which no other group of animals have it, that is the presence of external ear pinna.
External ear panna. Yes. Correct.
Got it? I can
ठीक है.
pull your ears when you don't do the homework.
अरे यार. Sorry.
Okay.
अरे sir.
See this, all these mammals that you are able to see on the screen. Can you notice the ear pinna present?
Yes. I can.
Okay, ये ear pinna. This is
Hmm.
exclusively found in mammals.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes.
So
Got
under
it.
mammals that you see, उसमें भी दो groups आते हैं. एक primitive
Very
mammals
good.
और एक advanced mammals. Okay.
I am advanced.
Okay, let's see. Primitive mammals में, okay, there are, उनको और एक नाम से बोला जाता है, वो है non-primates.
Non-primates.
Yes.
हाँ.
And advanced primates जो होते हैं, the primates होते हैं, वो advanced mammals. Okay.
Yes.
So non-primates का मतलब है animals which you can say very primitive features are there. उनमें सबसे important feature होता है कि their eyes are monocular.
हैं?
Yes.
म्हणजे?
Monocular का मतलब है their eyes are on the sides of the head. Imagine animals like cow, buffalo, horse, rabbit, etc.
Head. Oh.
Cow, buffalo,
मछली?
horse, rabbit, etc. मछली mammal है क्या?
नहीं, sorry. I was just thinking eyes.
Okay, listen. So animals like cow, horse, rabbit वगैरह देखो, deer वगैरह देखो, तो आंख उनके साइड में, monocular vision. But when you talk about the advanced ones, that is primates. Primates में आते हैं monkeys, apes and man.
Monkeys, apes and yes.
Yes. Got it. तो evolution में भी ऐसा ही हुआ है कि when the mammals evolved, तो शुरुआत में there were the primitive mammals. Okay. Then came the advanced mammals. तो advanced mammals में जो सबसे पहले आए, मतलब advanced mammals, that is primates. अब primates में भी सबसे primitive, उनको बोलते हैं prosimians.
What simians?
You can see this name on the screen. Prosimians. ये है primate का family tree.
Yes.
Now you understood the meaning of the word primate. Advanced mammals. So we are not talking about the non-primates under mammals.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. We are talking about the primates. तो primates में जो सबसे पहले primitive primates आए, उनको नाम दिया है prosimians. So there were animals like these जिसको बोलते हैं loris, lemur, tarsier, ऐसे animals है. Okay, 60 to 65 million years. I'll show the geological time scale once again after this.
Yes.
ठीक है? Then you can see कि इनका जब evolution develop हुआ, prosimians से, so you got new world monkeys, the old world monkeys. New world, old world का meaning क्या है? Geographically their locations. जैसे अफ्रीका वगैरह में बोलते हैं तो old world. The America and all, if you see, they are new world.
New world. Okay.
So new world monkeys में example आएगा marmoset, Okay, you have spider monkeys, squirrel monkeys, and all.
Correct.
Okay, and
Yes.
old world monkeys में you can see these rhesus monkeys. ठीक है,
Rhesus monkey.
rhesus
Okay.
monkey.
Wow. हाँ.
इसके बाद और इवोल्यूशन हुआ, gave rise to apes. अब यहाँ पे देखो
Okay, got it.
प्रिमिटिव मैमल, प्रिमिटिव प्राइमेट से लेकर ये मंकीज तक, दे आर
Hmm.
ऑल हैविंग अ टेल.
Yes.
मतलब मंकीज एंड एप्स के बीच में अगर डिफरेंसेस बोला जाए तो सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस ये है कि मंकीज दे हैव अ टेल, एप्स डू नॉट हैव अ टेल.
Okay. Yes. Tail.
यस. तो सबसे पहले लेसर एप्स बने लाइक गिबन्स, उसके बाद दे गेव राइज टू द ग्रेट एप्स लाइक ओरंगुटन्स, गोरिल्ला,
Orangutan. Yes.
chimpanzee, and our
Yes.
nearest ancestor among the apes, if you say, वो है चिंपैंजी. सो अभी जो मैंने स्टेटमेंट बोला था कि इंसान पहले बंदर था, यस था, बट डायरेक्टली नहीं. उसके बाद एप्स वाला सेक्शन आया.
Oh yes.
एंड
Apes.
एप्स में भी लेसर एप्स पहले, ग्रेटर एप्स बाद में. And we are
हाँ.
closest related to the great apes like chimpanzees.
Okay. Got it.
After chimpanzees, then human beings started evolving. Got it? तो जो हम लोग ह्यूमन बींग्स के अलग अलग फॉसिल्स के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे, दैट विल बी बिटवीन चिंपैंजी एंड द ह्यूमन बींग्स.
Okay. Got it.
गेटिंग इट?
Yes.
ओके, ये स्टोरी लाइन समझा अमंग द मैमल्स?
Very अच्छे से. हाँ.
ओके, याद रहेगा?
Yes.
So you had this picture in your 10th standard book, if you remember.
Oh, this
The
one.
different
Yes, I
fossils
had.
of human beings.
Yes, यही
We'll
वाला
go
था.
through the
हाँ.
we will go through the details of these fossils in the another table. अब ये याद है ना, लेकिन कि ancient animals like lemurs, वहां से
Yes.
फिर chimpanzees तक आया, chimpanzees से ये humans का development हुआ.
Correct.
So
Yes.
we have come across how we are able to know this story, because we are able to come across different fossils of the ancient humans. Okay?
Yes.
And वो अलग अलग जगह पे
Right.
मिला है fossils. उनके स्टडी से पता चला कि वो फॉसिल्स कितने पुराने हैं, उनके क्या फीचर्स
Yes.
थे, एंड कौन पहले था,
Yes.
कौन बाद में था. फिर हम द रेडियोकार्बन डेटिंग एंड ऑल वी कम टू नो. एंड दैट्स हाउ वी
Correct.
आर एबल टू, जैसे मैंने कल भी बताया था कि एज फार एज द स्टोरी ऑफ एवोल्यूशन इज कंसर्न्ड, वी आर स्टिल नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द 100% फुल पिक्चर.
Okay, got it.
Okay, there are still many things which are mysterious, जो हमें और एविडेंस कहीं मिलेंगे, फॉसिल्स मिलेंगे, तो मे बी हमारा क्लैरिटी और बढ़ेगा. Right?
Okay,
So
got
that's
it.
how we
Yes.
understand. So these kind of evidences we get. कि जैसे पुराना आदमी जो था, नोमैडिक लाइफ जीते थे, केव्स वगैरह में रहते थे,
Nomadic life.
तो
Yes.
उस टाइम पे उन लोगों ने केव्स के दीवारों पे इस तरह के पेंटिंग्स बनाए.
Okay, got
दिस
it.
काइंड ऑफ पेंटिंग्स गिव अस एन आइडिया, जो उस टाइम पे मैन ने बनाया था. तो उस टाइम पे मैन क्या बनाएगा, बायोलॉजी के डायग्राम्स में नहीं बनाएगा वो. करेक्ट? So what type of paintings will the man do? Whatever man is seeing around at that time. तो जो एनिमल्स दिख रहे हैं, जो इंसान एनिमल्स को मार रहे हैं, वो सब चीजें दिखा रहे हैं वो पेंटिंग में. तो दे बिकम एविडेंसेस फॉर अस एट प्रेजेंट टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ द लाइफ वाज एग्जिस्टिंग एट दैट टाइम. एंड मैन वाज आल्सो इन्वॉल्वड इन मेकिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स. जैसे जैसे एवोल्यूशन बढ़ा, मैन का ब्रेन का डेवलपमेंट होते गया, तो मैन वाज एक्सपर्ट इन मेकिंग डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टूल्स फॉर देयर यूसेज. जैसे ये शार्प इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है हंटिंग के लिए, ओके, जैसे ग्राइंडिंग वगैरह करने के लिए यूज करते थे. तो दोस एविडेंसेस आर आल्सो अवेलेबल अलोंग विद दैट, जिससे हमें और क्लैरिटी पता चलते हैं. ओके, सी दिस. ये क्या है बताओ?
है.
हेलो.
हाँ.
यस यस, ये क्या है बताओ?
ये तो this is that ना. अरे वो this was मेरा हिस्ट्री बुक में था ये. Fossil.
It is a dead body which has been buried.
But oh yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
of one such ancient man.
Yes.
So that is also a very important, crucial piece of evidence
Mummy.
for the archaeologists.
Yes.
Mummies बोलते हैं, correct? है ना? तो
Yes.
उसमें कैसे ब्यूरी किया देखना. सी एट दैट टाइम अगर ये ऐसा एविडेंस कहीं मिल जाते हैं, तो इससे क्या आइडिया मिलता है कि इट वाज नॉट जस्ट दैट द मैन डाइड.
हाँ.
It was like a proper grave was constructed. The man was placed inside, एंड देयर वर
Yes.
सम मटेरियल्स which were found जिससे पता चलते कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ रिचुअल्स टाइप फॉलो करते थे डेथ के मामले में।
Correct. Yes.
तो ऐसे
Yes.
करके उनका उस टाइम का लाइफ को हम इमेजिन करते हैं एंड दैट्स हाउ वी कम टू नो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मैन यूज्ड टू लिव दैट टाइम एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लाइफ यूज्ड टू एग्जिस्ट, राइट। ये
Correct.
आर्टिस्टिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन है कि
Wow,
कैसे
me.
फायर जलाते थे, ओके,
Yes.
कैसे वो
Correct.
कुकिंग करते थे। इट वाज कंप्लीटली एट द मर्सी ऑफ नेचर,
How cool.
right? So
Yes.
that's how the story continues, and
Hmm.
we are getting a lot of evidences to understand how man has evolved, right?
Hmm.
And this is what
Hmm.
we are existing today,
Yeah.
correct? And this story of the evolution will never stop. The story will always continue, correct? Because that is what we are existing today as human beings. Okay, so the overview is clear properly. अच्छी तरह समझा?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
I'll show you another flow chart which I have made. Take a look at this also.
Hmm.
Can you see this chart? जो अभी हमने नाम दिया,
Yes.
at least you got an overview, a clear idea that we are talking
Ooh, what is
that
this?
time in the evolution. We are talking about that time in the evolution when from the non-primates, okay, we got the primates. So primates में हम कितने advanced हैं, now we are seeing that. Okay, so observe this flow chart carefully कि देखो Mesozoic era. Now you are aware about geological time scale.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Mesozoic era
yes,
में therapsid reptiles करके थे. Okay, उसके बाद egg laying mammals आने लगे. Primitive mammals were the egg laying ones. Prototherians करके नाम था उनका.
Yes.
Okay, तो जैसे duck-billed platypus, which was the connecting link between caves and mammals, है ना? ऐसे primitive mammals. From them gave rise to the placental mammals.
Placental mammals.
Yes, placental mammals are purely viviparous because the young ones in the female are connected to the mother with the help of the placenta.
Yes.
ऐसे mammals को placental mammals बोलते हैं, also called eutherian mammals. Okay, under placental mammals we have non-primates and primates.
हाँ.
ठीक है, so non-primates primitive group है जैसे मैंने बताया, right? Now the primates सबसे पहले arise हुए Cenozoic, Cosmozoic era में.
Yes.
Okay, they arose around 80 million years ago. The primates. Okay, सबसे पहले primates, and they had frontal eyes in the front.
Yes,
so
correct.
imagine a monkey and a cow.
Monkey and a cow. हाँ.
Cow में कैसा है, आंख साइड में ना, and the cow wants to look at you ऐसे देखते हैं.
Yes.
But monkey will look at you directly in the front.
Exactly.
That is frontal eyes, binocular vision. Okay. And flat nails are there. देखा, नाखून
flat nails. Oh हाँ. Yes, correct.
Okay. Opposable thumb. दूसरों को ठेंगा दिखाता है.
Yes, ठेंगा.
Presence of hair.
Sir is showing me ठेंगा.
Yes, presence of hair on the body, right? And usually one young one is produced at a birth.
हाँ, ये भी है.
At a time, है ना? And the arms are swinging at the shoulder joint. You remember ball and socket joint?
Yes. Ball and socket joint.
तो ये सारे characteristic features है primates के.
Primates.
Yes. Understood this properly?
Yes.
Now under primates we have two groups. One is called prosimian and other one is anthropoids.
हाँ.
ठीक है, prosimian, pro का मतलब है before, simian मतलब ape. तो before the apes, that means lemuroids and tarsoids करके दो.
पहले.
Yes, तो इसमें दो ग्रुप्स आते हैं, lemuroids and tarsoids. Okay. Lemuroids, they look like a cross between a cat and a dog. Lemur करके एक animal है. Okay. They are still existing.
ऐसा है कोई animal?
Yes. Lemurs करके animal होते हैं. They are still existing. Okay.
Okay.
Then tarsoid जो होते हैं, they are as small as a rat. I'll show those animals also. Wait.
Okay, fine.
समझा? Lemurs are animals which look like a cross between a cat and a dog. Tarsoids look as small as a rat. Okay, lemurs, they are found in Madagascar Islands,
Yes.
and tarsoids are found in East Indies.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
lemurs का face कैसा होता है? They have a flat snout with large eyes.
Yes.
Okay, here also they have a
Yes.
flat snout but protruding owl-like eyes. उल्लू कैसे देखते हैं? ऐसा बाहर निकला हुआ,
Correct.
staring at you. ऐसा.
Yes.
Okay.
हाँ.
Lemurids, they have a long bushy tail.
हाँ.
Squirrel की तरह tail है. Okay.
Correct.
And tarsoids का कैसा होता है? Long tail with a tuft of hair at the tip of the tail. कि मतलब पूरा tail होगा.
Correct.
Hair सिर्फ उसके end में रहेगा.
Hmm.
Okay. Here the vision is
Okay.
more developed, and here they have binocular vision.
Yes.
Okay. ये
Correct.
monocular है, binocular. That is why lemurids are primitive than tarsoids.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Got
And
it. Got
limbs
it.
are of grasping type.
Hmm.
Okay. Here there are long limbs with elongated tarsals. See the name of the group, tarsoids.
Tarsoids.
वो नाम क्यों
Yes.
पड़ा है? Because they have elongated tarsals. Tarsal मतलब
Correct.
the fingers of the legs.
Hmm.
उसको
Correct.
tarsal बोलते हैं. वो elongated है. They also have a rotatory head, and tarsoids में females में menstrual cycle present है.
Correct. Yes.
That is prosimian. मतलब you can understand primitive primate characteristics आने लगे.
Got it.
Got it? After this,
Yes.
evolution हुआ तो anthropoids बने. Okay, anthrop मतलब man, anthropoid का मतलब है man like.
Okay.
So
Got
here
it.
you have new world monkeys, old world monkeys, and hominoidea. Okay,
Correct.
मतलब monkeys, apes, and man, anthropoids में.
हाँ.
तो anthropoids में monkeys में new world monkeys. They are found in
Okay.
Central and South America.
हाँ.
Okay, and old world
Yes.
monkeys कहाँ मिलते हैं? Africa and Asia.
Yes.
Based on the location, we call them as new world and old world.
Okay. Got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
So new world monkeys have a flat nose with nostrils directed outwards.
Outwards. Oh wow.
मतलब ऐसे नाक रहेगा ना, nostril बाहर की तरफ दिखेगा.
हाँ.
I show the
Okay,
pictures.
got it.
Okay. And old world monkeys में कैसा है? Flat nose with nostrils directed downwards. जैसे आपने में.
Oh, nice.
Got it?
Yes.
When somebody looks at you, does your nostril face them?
No. Got it.
They're facing downward.
Yes.
Got it? New world monkeys में they have a long prehensile tail.
हाँ.
Okay, मतलब ऐसा एकदम सीधा पूंछ रहेगा. Old
Okay,
world
got it.
monkeys में non prehensile tail. They can coil and grasp around.
हाँ.
ठीक है? New world monkeys में
Okay.
the limbs are not of grasping type, while in old world the limbs are of grasping type.
Yes, correct.
ठीक है?
Got it.
New world में dentition देखना, दांत के types. 2, 1,
हाँ.
3 is the number. Incisors, premolars,
Yes.
canines. Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. So they have ideally 36 teeth in their mouth. But old world में देखना,
Oh,
32
yes.
हो गया.
हाँ, correct.
Understood the differences between new world and old world monkeys?
Understood. Yes.
Okay. So after the old world, then came hominoidea. Okay, hominoidea में 3 groups हैं.
हाँ.
Lesser apes are also called as the small sized apes. उस group को बोलते हैं Hyalobatidae.
Potato?
Yeah, Hyalobatidae. See the spelling.
Hyalobatidae.
Can you see the spelling?
Hello. हाँ.
बोल. Hyalobatidae.
Oh, Batidae. Hello, Batidae.
Can you see the spelling?
Hello, Batidae. Am I right or am I right?
Yes, correct.
Yes.
उसमें example आएगा gibbons.
Yes.
Okay. Then second group जो large sized apes हैं. Greater apes बोलते हैं. उनको बोलते हैं Pongidae. They are called as Pongidae. बोल.
Pungi.
Pongidae.
Oh, Pongal. Pongi.
You have the tendency to get diverted. Huh?
Sorry.
So you don't belong to this group, right,
Pongidae.
Supriya? You belong to one of the other
Pongidae.
groups.
Am I right?
Yes,
Pongidae.
Pongidae. Example: gorilla, orangutan, chimpanzee, etc.
Okay, fine.
And the last group under this is Hominidae. बोल.
ठीक है, very good.
Hominidae.
Hominidae.
उसमें आता है man, human beings.
Okay, got it.
Did you understand the layout of the primates under mammals?
Yes,
अच्छी
yes,
तरह से.
clearly.
Sure.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
पक्का?
Pakka.
Okay. So let's take a look
Got
at some
it.
pictures or photos before we go ahead. Okay. तो अभी
Yes.
examples दिखाता हूँ. Like all these names of animals that we have mentioned, starting from lemurs. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. A minute. Coming up.
Hmm.
So अभी जो हम लोग humans के fossils के बारे में study करेंगे, that will be after the chimpanzees. That means after the Pongidae.
Pongidae.
Okay. Pongidae के बाद जो आता है, that is Hominidae, जिसमें human beings आते हैं, that will be included under the fossils of ancient human beings.
Okay, got it.
मतलब monkeys में से apes, apes में से human beings. This you have to remember clearly.
Okay.
Is it clear properly?
Very clear.
Any
Yes.
doubt?
हाँ.
क्या हाँ?
हाँ, it is
Doubt
clear.
है
It
कि
is
doubt नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Very
Oh
good.
wow, how cool.
So let's take a look at the animals first before we come to this. Okay.
Human. Oh, I want to see it.
That flowchart which I have shown you just now,
Hmm.
the handwritten one, that I will be giving you later. उसका
Oh
hard
wow.
copy है मेरे पास. I will pass it on to you. ऐसे है ना,
ठीक है.
Tuesday को
Okay.
कभी थोड़ा कुछ मिला है documents which will be useful for you. I'll be getting that on Tuesday without fail.
ठीक है. Fine.
Yep.
Hmm.
Let's for a second. It is opening. See this.
Hmm.
As I
Oh,
said,
this. Oh, I know this. अरे ये एलिमेंट.
जैसे हमने देखा था अभी चार्ट में कि these animals are found in Madagascar.
Madagascar. I know Madagascar.
अच्छा, you
Yes.
have been there?
No, मतलब मैंने देखा है.
See this.
मतलब
See the
I've
eyes.
read it.
See the eyes.
I know.
है ना?
हाँ.
These are lemurs.
Yes. Oh, cool.
Okay.
I know that geography में भी था मेरे को ये.
अच्छा, very good.
I had this.
Then take a
Yes.
look at tarsiers.
Sears.
ये देखो.
Tar.
These are
Ooh,
tarsiers.
yes. This I know this. ये सब.
Observe the elongated tarsals. उसके पैर के ये देखना, उंगली देखना.
Oh हाँ, correct.
That is tarsal.
Yes.
These are primitive primates.
Yes.
Remember that.
Deserve to be in भूत का movie.
हाँ, very nice. वही सब याद है तो बराबर.
Oh no, look at that. हाँ, ठीक है.
See this squirrel monkey.
Squirrel monkey, I don't know. I think.
One of
No,
the.
I don't know this. Wow.
Yes. Okay, there are many different types of monkeys. Okay.
How cute.
ये देख spider monkey.
Spider monkey मेरे को पता है.
ये देख.
मैंने देखा है. I know this.
है ना?
Yes.
Then you can say take a look at gibbons.
Gibbons also I know.
These are the most primitive apes.
Hey wow, what a jump. Yes.
Okay, ये monkeys to apes का transition style है, तो बिना पूंछ वाले animals है, ठीक है? Remember that.
Oh हाँ, इन लोगों को पूछ ही नहीं है.
Yes, है ना? Because they are primitive apes.
Okay.
Orangutans.
Orangutans, I know.
है ना? ये थाईलैंड इंडोनेशिया में बहुत फेमस है.
हाँ, I know. थाईलैंड इंडोनेशिया में बहुत
Gorilla.
है.
See this.
हाँ.
Right? And
हाँ.
then chimpanzee.
Okay.
ये अपने सबसे nearest ancestor chimpanzee.
ठीक है, got it.
Got it? तो हमें जितने भी humans के fossils मिले हैं वो सब यहाँ से शुरू होके इसके आगे के.
ठीक है, got it. Yes.
अच्छी तरह समझा?
हाँ.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's come to our textbook. Okay. Take a look at
Okay.
this. So quickly हम लोग पहले एक बार जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल पे नजर मारते हैं.
Geological time scale.
Yep.
अच्छा, okay. हाँ.
If you observe the geological time scale that we have learnt just yesterday, okay, इसमें देखना जो Cenozoic era, that is the ongoing era,
Shino मतलब ongoing होता है ना?
latest और earliest one. ये
Yes.
देख Cenozoic era में सबसे पहले tertiary period में.
हाँ.
Here you can notice this point, that is formation of the first man-like apes. Can you see this here?
Yes.
Okay, formation of the first man-like apes.
Yes.
Okay, appearance of apes and monkeys हुआ था इसके पहले Oligocene
हाँ.
epoch में. Okay, and उसके पहले Eocene में diversification of placental mammals took place.
Yes.
And Paleocene में early or first primates arose.
हाँ.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay,
Got it.
points याद रखना है. And सबसे
हाँ.
पहले जैसे man like apes अगर Miocene में आए थे तो उसके next वाले epoch में you have got emergence or the origin of man.
Okay, got it.
Okay, and then man started evolving further. So you got the primitive man in the Pleistocene epoch of Quaternary period.
Okay. Yes.
And finally, over here you have got development of modern man in the
Yes.
Holocene epoch. Okay, ये points याद रखना है with respect to human evolution.
Okay, got it.
Got it अच्छी तरह से?
हाँ.
So as far as the human evolution is concerned, the background story I have already given you just now, right?
Yes.
Say a very interesting point. Okay, between human being and chimpanzee, there is a difference of just 2.5% in the DNA.
कितना 5? 2.5.
2.5%. DNA में
ठीक
जो
है,
difference है.
okay.
We have learnt about this even when we discussed about the Human Genome Project. You remember that?
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ.
तो
Yes.
ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड चिंपैंजी के बीच में 2.5 का फर्क है. ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड मंकी के बीच में देखना it is 10%. So between you and a normal human being, what is the difference? Is it 2.5 or 10?
2.5.
So you agree that you are a
2.5,
chimpanzee,
2.5,
right?
2. Yes.
Very
I
nice.
do.
Wonderful.
हाँ.
So अभी जो evolution हुआ, okay, from the chimpanzee towards man, there were many major changes which have taken place. Monkeys and apes up to chimpanzees, if you see, they used to walk quadrupedal.
Yes.
4 पैरों पे चलते थे. Okay.
Yes.
The front limbs, the forelimbs were longer and more developed as compared to the hind limbs.
हाँ.
But जैसे humans की तरफ बढ़े तो वहां पे उल्टा हो गया. Quadrupedal से bipedal की तरफ हो गया.
Oh yes, correct.
Okay. तो bipedal होने का advantage क्या हो गया? How it was helpful for the man to become bipedal from quadrupedal?
How? Tell me. Oh, you're asking me.
4 पैर पे चल रहे हैं और 2 पैर पे खड़े हैं, तो हाइट ज्यादा हो गया.
Correct.
So when the height increased, man was able to observe larger distance.
Yes.
तो उसका सेफ्टी और एफिशिएंसी बेटर हो गया, सर्वाइवल अच्छा हो गया. So nature has accepted that character कि bipedal is better than quadrupedal.
Oh yes.
Getting it? Okay. And the other main thing which happened was increase in the size and complexity of the brain.
Okay, fine.
That is also very important thing. Human evolution में सबसे बड़ा point तो यही है, brain का evolution हुआ.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. And there was also enhanced intelligence.
Yes.
Monkeys and apes के comparison में human beings are more intelligent. Cranial capacity बढ़ गया. Cranium is the brain box. उसका size, उसका volume बढ़ गया.
Okay.
Bipedal locomotion, as I said. तो बाइपेडल
हम्म,
हो गया तो इंसान इरेक्ट पोस्चर में आ गया। तो इरेक्ट
हाँ,
पोस्चर में क्या हो गया, मोर वेट ऑफ द बॉडी वाज देयर ऑन द हाइंड लिम्स, दैट इज द लेग्स।
okay,
So the
got it.
hind limbs became more stronger and longer as compared to the forelimbs. तो
Yes.
पूरे बॉडी वेट को सपोर्ट करना, राइट।
Hmm.
ऑपोजेबल
Hmm.
थंब, ऑपोजेबल थंब का मतलब क्या है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लैंडमार्क फीचर इन ह्यूमन इवोल्यूशन।
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
that means you can move the thumb in any direction.
Aha, correct.
Imagine trying to hold a pen and write something without using the thumb. Can you
Yes.
do that?
No,
No.
I can try.
Can you type a message in your mobile to someone without using the thumb?
I can use my nose.
See, we are talking about normal people. Right?
Okay, fine.
Can you eat
Yes.
something without using the thumb? Grasping,
हाँ,
eating, lifting. Okay. All these things
हाँ.
require the use of thumb, which जो बहुत ही efficient है. And ये
Hmm.
human evolution में सबसे बड़ा character develop हुआ.
Correct.
Okay. Erect posture,
Hmm.
right? Shortening of the
Yes.
forelimbs, as I said, lengthening of
Hmm.
the hind limbs, and
Hmm.
development of the chin.
Hmm.
एप्स में चिन करके नहीं था, ऐसे कंटिन्यूटी में हो जाते हैं कि फेस के एंड
Correct.
पे ऐसा डायरेक्टली नेक, बट वी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैव
Hmm.
गॉट अ प्रॉपर चिन,
Correct.
गॉट इट। पेल्विक गर्डल का
हाँ.
ब्रॉडनिंग, पेल्विक गर्डल इज द हिप गर्डल,
Oh, yes.
कमर का ब्रॉडनिंग हुआ, ओके, विच वाज मोर
हाँ.
एफिशिएंट फॉर चाइल्ड डिलीवरी, राइट।
Oh,
lumbar
yes. Correct.
curvature, see, when an ape is walking on 4 legs and when a man is walking on 2 legs,
Yes.
तो वर्टिब्रल कॉलम में जो कर्वेचर है वो अलग हो जाता है,
Curvature, yes. हाँ.
गेटिंग इट। तो लंबार
Hmm.
कर्वेचर जो है वो डेवलप हो गया व्हाइल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड।
Yes.
ये सारे पॉइंट्स याद रखना है, ओके। एंड
ठीक
देन
है.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सोशल स्किल्स, कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट आल्सो increased.
Okay, got it.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
हाँ, ठीक है. Got it.
ठीक है।
Yes.
सो ये जो पॉइंट्स हमने
Yes.
देखा, दीज आर द पॉइंट्स दैट गिव यू एन आइडिया दैट फ्रॉम चिंपैंजीज और एप्स टू ह्यूमन बीइंग्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डेवलपमेंट हैज टेकन प्लेस, which are very
Oh, yes.
important key features for human evolution. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. उसमें भी देखना important कैसा है, articulated speech करके लिखा हुआ है कि
Hmm.
now apes cannot speak, but humans देखना कैसे
Yes.
develop किए, we are able to speak loudly, we can speak softly, we can shout, we can
Yes.
sing, we can mimic, है ना, क्या क्या नहीं कर
Yes.
सकते हम लोग। तो ये स्पीच क्यों डेवलप हुआ, बिकॉज ऑफ द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द लैरिंक्स,
हाँ.
ओके।
Correct.
एंड इंटेलिजेंस, ब्रेन वगैरह डेवलप हुआ तो टूल्स का डेवलपमेंट, आर्ट एंड कल्चर, क्या क्या नहीं किया हम लोगों ने, है ना। तो ये देखना अगेन दो सेम पॉइंट्स, आई विल शो यू क्विकली वंस अगेन। मैमेलिया में
Hmm.
मार्सुपियल्स भी एक ग्रुप आता है, मार्सुपियल्स मतलब यू नो पाउच्ड मैमल्स,
Oh, yes. I
है ना,
know. हाँ.
कैंगारू, ओपोसम वगैरह जो मैमल्स आते हैं। मोनोट्रीम्स
Correct.
करके एक और प्रिमिटिव ग्रुप है जिसको एग लेइंग मैमल्स को बोलते हैं,
Okay.
जैसे डक बिल्ड प्लैटिपस, okay.
Duck-billed
And then
platypus.
comes
Yes.
placental mammals, the eutherians, which are primates. तो उसमें हमने देखा प्रोसीमियंस एंड एंथ्रोपोइडिया,
Hmm.
lemurs and tarsiers,
Hmm.
correct. New world monkeys, squirrel monkey, spider monkey. Old world monkeys
Yes.
में baboons, macaques, langur, etc.
हाँ.
Okay. Hominoidea में apes.
Oh, yes. Correct.
Then comes Hylobattidae. So you have gibbons, arboreal apes
Batidae.
करके, है ना। Then you
Yes.
have Pongidae, semi-arboreal. Arboreal
Hmm.
मतलब which lives on trees.
Hmm.
Semi-arboreal मतलब trees and land both.
Correct. Got it.
Okay. And then Hominidae, that is human beings.
Yes.
ठीक है. So now quickly at the end we are going to discuss about the different types of fossils of human beings, where they were found, okay, what they looked like, okay, what was the period according to geological time scale when they were existing, and what are the different features,
Okay.
the posture, cranial capacity, all these points we have to discuss. at the end of which the topic will be over.
Okay, got it.
So you have to
Yes.
remember only about 7 such types of man with respect to human beings. Okay. तो
Yes.
सबसे पहले आएगा Dryopithecus. बोलो.
हाँ. Yes.
बोलो.
Dryopithecus.
Correct. Okay. Then you have Ramapithecus.
Ramapithecus. ये सब मैंने पढ़ा है.
Australopithecus.
हाँ. Australopithecus.
Homo habilis.
Homo habilis.
Homo
I'm
erectus.
saying it. Yes. Homo erectus.
Neanderthal man.
Neanderthal man.
And the last one, that is Homo sapiens.
Homo sapiens.
Okay. So one by one, let us take a look. Dryopithecus. Okay. It was an ape-like man.
Yes.
Okay. इसका fossil मिला है Lake Victoria, which is at Africa. Okay. And Haritalyanga, which is in Himachal Pradesh. ये दोनों जगह पे ड्रायोपिथिकस के फॉसिल मिले.
Yes.
ठीक है. तो इसका जब कार्बन डेटिंग किए तो पता चला दिस यूज्ड टू एग्जिस्ट इन द मियोसीन एपॉक, दैट इज अबाउट 20 to 25 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो.
Yes, correct.
ओके. एंड इसके फीचर्स क्या था? बाकी ज्यादा फीचर्स तो नहीं मिला.
हाँ.
ओके. तो सेमी इरेक्ट पोस्चर बिकॉज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी प्रिमिटिव मैन एंड इट वाज एप लाइक ऑलमोस्ट. चिंपैंजी.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So it was having a very close similarity to chimpanzee.
Okay, got it.
Got it? Okay.
Yes.
There is no question of cranial capacity because cranium मिला ही नहीं fossil में.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Then ape-like से लेकर next हुआ man-like. So that is Ramapithecus.
Ramapithecus.
Okay. नाम में देखा रामा है. तो ये इंडिया में मिला हुआ है. ऐसे नाम पड़ा है. सिमिलरली एक और फॉसिल जो इंडिया में मिला था शिवालिक हिल्स इन उत्तराखंड में, उसका नाम रखा गया था शिवापिथिकस. ओके. एंड देयर इज वन मोर फॉसिल वाज फाउंड इन केनिया, उसका नाम रखा गया था केनियापिथिकस.
ओके, गॉट इट.
ओके. तो ये देखना 14 to 12 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो.
ओह अच्छा.
सी 12 to 14 नहीं बोलते, 14 to 12 बोलते. यहाँ पर भी मिस्टेक है, 20 to 25 लिखा हुआ है. बड़ा नंबर बाद में छोटा नंबर. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज 14 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो पहले आया था, 12 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो बाद में आया. तो 14 जब था तब से 12 तक उतने साल हुआ. ओके. तो मियोसीन एंड अर्ली प्लायोसीन एपॉक. ओके. तो सेमी इरेक्ट से ये इरेक्ट पोस्चर पे चला गया. सी दिस.
ओके.
ओके. ड्रायोपिथिकस से here you can see the difference.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So यहाँ पे there is no other feature that was available for this man. Then comes Australopithecus.
Australopithecus.
Okay. Now ये जो है, now these are very important points which can be asked in MCQ also. कि the connecting link between ape and man is dash. You should know it is Australopithecus.
Okay, fine, got it.
ये मिला था साउथ अफ्रीका में एक जगह कॉल्ड टोंग. ऑस्ट्रालोपिथिकस का एक फॉसिल मिला था जिसको नाम रखा गया टोंग बेबी. यस. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रालोपिथिकस का एक बच्चा, उसका फॉसिल मिला. इट वाज अ फॉसिल ऑफ चाइल्ड ऑफ एन ऑस्ट्रालोपिथिकस, नॉट एन एडल्ट. तो उसका नाम रख दिया टोंग बेबी बिकॉज साउथ अफ्रीका के टोंग में मिला था वो. And there were other fossils available at Ethiopia, Tanzania also. ये सारे locations याद रखना, ये सब आते हैं एग्जाम में. Okay. तो ये है late Pliocene या early Pleistocene, about 4 to 1.8 million years ago.
4 to 1.8 million years.
Yes. ये पूरा fossil मिला, मतलब सर से लेकर पैर तक complete skeleton. So that's why we are able to understand कि they were not taller than 4 feet. The jaws were larger. Okay, prognathous face. Prognathous मतलब ape-like face.
Yes.
इसको prognathous बोलते हैं. Broad jaws.
Correct.
Okay. अभी human beings के पास जो face है उसको बोलते हैं orthognatous face.
Okay.
ठीक है. Chin was absent. Lumbar curvature was present. मतलब ape and man दोनों के features है. And erect के साथ साथ upright posture आ गया. Cranial capacity देखना 450 to 600 cubic centimeter because पूरा फॉसिल मिला, क्रेनियम भी मिला, तो क्रेनियम का साइज भी पता चला. ओके, so it was a very primitive man with an ape brain, that is Australopithecus. Okay, then comes Homo habilis. Homo habilis was also called the handyman. Okay, handyman का मतलब है कि they used to start making very primitive tools at this stage. उसको handyman करके नाम दिया गया. So you must have studied in the history part also, like there are Stone Age man, okay, he used to prepare some tools and all, because man was completely at the mercy of nature in order to hunt for food, okay, protect themselves from predators, right, for safety and all. So man started making primitive tools. So the fossils for Homo habilis were found in the Olduvai Gorge of Tanzania, which is located in Africa, okay, and that occurred in the late Pliocene or early Pleistocene, मतलब 2.5 to 1.4 million years ago के बीच में this man used to exist on the earth. Okay, and then the skeletal features, if you see the fossil records that were available based on that, it has they had a lower jaw, lightly built, dentition was more like modern man, and small molars. So that's why they are placed between these two. Okay, this order from fossils that we are learning is in the order of the evolution also, right? And it's not necessary that all the fossils would have been also available in the same order. It might be available in any order, right? Erect posture, now that is a common feature across till modern man that we have. And see the cranial capacity, it is increasing 650 to 800 cc, right? And it is said that probably they did not eat meat. Yeah, now that we can come to know based on their dentition, that is more of molars and premolars. Okay, but still that's a hypothesis, it is not completely confirmed yet. Okay, the tools used to be made from stones and they were nicknamed as handyman. He started using the hands for making tools and ऐसे करके उसका नाम पड़ा होगा. ठीक है, that is followed by the next one, you have Homo erectus. Okay, now the word is erectus, that means a completely proper erect posture. Okay, and उसको भी erect man करके बोल सकते हैं या ape man करके भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, and under Homo erectus there are two types, एक है Java man और एक है Peking man. Both are the different types of fossils which were found in two different locations. Java is in Indonesia and Peking is in China. Okay, so they used to exist around Pleistocene epoch, that is 1.5 million years ago. Okay, approx 5 feet in height, a prognathous face, as I said, massive jaws, huge teeth were found, chin was absent, and there were bony eyebrow ridges, like the eyebrows part, some protruded and bony रहता था वो. Okay, 900 cc was the cranial capacity. Now they were known to eat meat, they were omnivorous. Okay, and they also might have used fire, because history में पढ़ा होगा कि at this point of time man had discovered fire by chance, कि flint stones वगैरह कुछ रब किया, spark generate हुआ, and the spark caused the fire. So man discovered it for the first time. So initially man may not have understood कि what is this fire, right? But then later on, because of the increasing intelligence, man understood कि it is nothing but a reaction. And उसके वजह से और better use कर सकते हैं fire को, like man started understanding the concept of cooking. Cooking not exactly like what we do today, but at least roasting the meat and all that was available instead of just consuming it raw. तो वो man को फायदा हो गया कि roasted meat also tasted better and it was easier to digest. तो fire को use करने लगा. And similarly man was completely nomadic till that time. Correct. So nomadic life के वजह से man used to live in the caves and the tree tops and all. So these fire used to give protection and warmth both. तो उसका use करने लगा. That was the Homo erectus ape man, right? And then there was one fossil which was available from the Neanderthal Valley in Germany. Okay, and उसको advanced prehistoric man करके नाम दिया. That means one of the very early proper man, not like an ape. Okay, but it was an advanced one. तो इसलिए उसका नाम रखा गया निएंडरथल मैन, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द होमो निएंडरथलेंसिस. Okay, because they were found in that location in Germany. So late Pleistocene epoch, about 1 lakh to 4 lakh years ago. Okay, approximately you had the Neanderthal man roaming around in the world, right? Heavy built, short, prominent brow ridges, low forehead, deep jaws. Okay, chin was absent, and outwardly curved thigh bones. Different features are again manual. And see the cranial capacity. There was a drastic increase. It was 1400 cc. Okay, and they used the hide, that means the skin of animals, for covering their bodies. There was that they started realizing that they cannot roam around naked, so they need to have their bodies covered. So hide of the animals were used as the skin. There were burial rituals that we saw few minutes back, and also constructed flint tools. Okay, chalcolithic age करके भी बोलते हैं इसको, right? And then after this there was one more transition in between. ऐसा और भी बहुत सारे fossils हैं. One other one was this one, the Cro-Magnon man. उसके fossils मिले थे फ्रांस में, the Cro-Magnon rocks of France. तो वहां पर भी fossil मिला था, which was after Neanderthal, before the Homo sapiens, and Cro-Magnon man was known to be the earliest previous ancestor of Homo sapiens. Cro-Magnon later got replaced with the modern day Homo sapiens. Okay, so Homo sapiens were fossils जो इनके मिल रहे हैं अफ्रीका में, and these are the ones that are existing even today. We are the Homo sapiens. 1450 cc is our brain capacity. इसके अलग अलग races develop हो गया, population increase हो गया. Races मतलब Africans, Asians, the Americans, the Australians ऐसे. Okay, cave art वगैरह शुरू किए तो approx 18,000 years ago. Till since then, the Homo sapiens are existing on the earth. Okay, now the main features that we saw. Okay, cranial capacity was a feature, right? Bipedal locomotion, high forehead. Okay, then increase in the intelligence. Okay, then opposable thumb, as I said, you know. So all these skills, bipedal locomotion, upright posture, okay, stereoscopic vision, ये सब man को फायदा हो गया land में easily move करने के लिए. Okay, so they were able to survive better. So here also it is clearly seen that natural selection has operated for all these features, and finally the journey of human evolution started. It is going on, and we never know in the future what type of man will roam around in the earth, right? The story of evolution finally completes over here. I hope you have understood the concept of the evolution, the entire process in detail, covered many aspects, and the story of human evolution also we have clearly understood based on the available fossil records. Okay, go through all the concepts well, understand the terminologies, and remember the sequence of events that have taken place. This carries a very good weightage in the exams also. Okay, thank you.